what's up guys? So in today's video I will be putting in the long tube headers on my Mustang GT. If you're new to the channel, just consider subscribing. It is free, so that'll really help me out. Today I'm putting in the stainless power long tube headers, and yeah, it's going to be a big difference. I'm not actually installing it myself. I'm bringing it to my buddy's shop and he's going to install it for me. And so I'm going to have to head over there, drop the car off, get picked up, and then next day later I'll go and pick it up. So the headers are already here. I got the box delivered this morning, so I already opened it, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the headers. Alright, so here guys is the box that the stainless power long tube headers come in. Came in pretty good. No damage to the box. I already opened it up a little bit. And the box it comes in, it's pretty heavy. It's a heavy box, let me tell you. So this is what it looks like. When you open it up, very nice material. It's pretty heavy too, heavier than I thought. So here is the long tube header, and it comes wrapped like that one. I just unwrapped this one to show you. So here it is. It's very heavy, a lot heavier than I thought. And here are the connecting pipes and some O2 sensors, manual how to put it together, some other bolts and stuff that you really need for the install. And here are the clamps. So yeah, it's a great way they packaged it, and I think it's pretty cool. They also threw in this can holder, stainless works headers. It's pretty cool, and they also gave me a stainless work headers lanyard. I already connected to my Mustang keys. So yeah, it was pretty nice of them. I also saw this. It's pretty cool. Stainless power. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I got the headers into the car. I couldn't fit the whole box in there, so I just decided to throw it all in the trunk, put the seats down in the back. So it all fits good, and I'm heading over to the place right now to get a quote on how much it's going to cost them to install these. So I'll keep you guys updated with what happens. Alright, so the Mustang is currently at the shop. I dropped off the headers. Now we're just waiting on my buddy to text me when they're ready, and I'll get back to you. He's also going to be tuning my car too, so he said he's going to put a ghost cam on it, so it's going to sound really nice. And he does all the racing tunes, and he knows what he's doing, so it's going to be a really good turnout. Alright, so I just got the text that the headers are done, so I'm going to get my buddy to take me, and we're going to go pick the car up. Okay, so it's been a few days since I had the car back from the shop, and obviously it's extremely louder. Driving it, like the camera doesn't do any justice when I record it, but I'm gonna throw in a video clip of it cold start from before, just from my Ford Performance by Borla catback exhaust that I have on it, and then I'm gonna take another video of it with the headers done, and then it's gonna compare the two. Okay, so you can easily tell the difference from the sound quality from before I got the headers done and then after I got the headers done. So now I'm going to throw in some video clips of me taking off, and then I went to a local park in my neighborhood, and I set up the camera, and it's just a video of me driving by, and you can hear how loud it is from the outside. Alright, so now I'm going to take you guys inside the car, and we're going to go for a little drive, and you guys are going to be able to hear what it sounds like from inside of the car. Alright guys, so here is a little cold start. I forgot to show you guys the ghost cam idle. Just listen to those chops. Okay, so for anyone who's new to the channel, this is my 2018 Mustang GT. This is my third car, and I've only had my license for about a year now. I'm 18 years old. And yeah, if you want to know what happened to my other cars, go watch my recent videos because that'll explain everything. I'm starting to get into cars, that's why I'm starting to make this YouTube channel, and I plan to build this car even more than it already has. And if you want to know what else this car has, just go check out recent videos. Alright, let's pop this baby into sport mode. There we go. Let's get out of here. Hard doing this one-handed. Turn the radio off, don't want to get demonetized. Downshifts are so nice. And I love when you come to a stop, you can just hear that idle, the ghost cam. It's beautiful. wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The car sounds totally different, in my opinion, at least. In person, you could definitely tell a difference. But yeah, that's the stainless power long tube headers on the Mustang. Next video, I'm not sure what's going to happen. I think I'm going to get my air filter replaced. I can make a video on that if you guys want, but make sure you subscribe and leave a like. It's free, so just do it. It'll help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.